Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And you may be wondering, where is the Audi A3? Guys, the Audi A3, it's right over here. As I told you a few videos ago, like in an update of the Bravo, I'm not uploading that much with the Audi restoration, just because I have MOT in the Fiat Bravo, in the Alpha, and there is things that I need to do, and of course I stopped a little bit the uploads with the Audi A3, but it's right here, and there is another video with the Audi A3. And guys, today I will install parking sensors in this car. It's something that I believe it's really useful, and this car don't have, so I decided to buy a kit that is right here, and in this video I'll show how you can easily install this kit. Didn't even cost me like $10 or euros. It cost me 8 and something, so it's quite cheap. This kit over here only have the beep because I don't like to install that monitors that they bring, unless you have a 2dim, which I believe it's pretty cool, a 2dim with the camera, okay? But I will not install a 2dim in this car, so I just want to have a parking sensor with the beep, which is the case of this one. I bought this one in Aliexpress, okay? There is a lot of options in Aliexpress with these kits. So guys, let's go to install these parking sensors. Let's go, guys. So guys, here's the kit that I bought. This kit comes with the module, of course, the buzzer, and 4 proximity sensors. And one nice thing also came with the drill to make the holes on the right sides of the sensor. So this is a plus for me to make sure that I make the holes in the right size. So let's see how to install all of these things. So to install these parking sensors you need a few measurements, of course, and the first one that you need to find is the center of the bumper. To get that center, it's really easy. You can use the latch of the trunk, okay? I will use this blue tape. As you can see, you can use like this as a reference, okay? Of course you don't need to put all of this tape, I'm doing this for the video, okay? So you can easily see how you can find the middle, okay? So right now I know exactly where is the middle of the bumper. So the car will have 2 sensors to the left side of this mark and 2 sensors to the right side. So guys, after we know where is the center of the bumper, now I need to know where is the middle. This one have 40 millimeters, so 20 will be my middle. So I will put some tape right here just to know where is the middle of the bumper. I will use different tape, so you can clearly see in the video. So 20. Okay, 20. So guys, right now I know where is the center of the bumper, where is the middle of the bumper. Now all I need to know is to where make the holes. This bumper right here, of course, the Audi A3, like have 70 centimeters until this side over here. Of course the parking sensors will detect this area over here. So what I'm gonna do is to make some marks, like 25 centimeters the first sensor, and then in the 50 centimeters. So one hole will be right here, another hole will be on the 25. So the exact same thing on this side. 25 and another 25. I made one mark over here, another one over here, another one over here, and another one over here. So this is the points that I'm gonna drill to install the sensors, okay? So the first hole is done. Now I can install the first parking sensor. So guys, the parking sensors are like in place, it's not fully installed because I want to test, of course. Now I need to find out a way to put these cables inside the trunk, and usually there is like a draining point. That's what I'm gonna do to pass the cables to the inside of the trunk and find out the positive and the negative of the reverse, because these modules need power, and I will get power through the rear sign. That way I will, when I put reverse, the sensors will also turn it on. So let's go, guys. So guys, I turn on the reverse. So right now I need to find out the reverse connection to make the new connection to the parking sensors. Let's go. So this in the middle, this brown one is the ground. I already checked it with the continuity. So this is the ground, and this one's over here, like right here, it's the positive that turn on the reverse sign. So I will cut and make the new connection for the model, okay? Brown and this one. I will make it, then I will show you, okay? So guys, I already make like the connection to test to see if everything it's working or not. I already make the reverse connection. Of course I need to finish, but let's test and see if it's working. Nice. Let's go to this side. Okay, I just need to finish these connections right here and install, try to pass the cables inside, and that's it, guys. So guys, what I did, I passed the cables under here over the draining point right here, and then goes under here, so the cables won't be visible. Here's the connection, let me show you. One to the negative, another one to the positive, the brown one, and the other that I show you. Pretty easy. Another thing, the black one, this one right here, it's negative, and the red one, it's the positive. So guys, in the future I need to remove the bumper to fix this crack over here. Probably I'll send the cables through the bumper, probably, let's see, but at least it's installed. But if I need to change, I just need to change the position of the cables, which is pretty easy. So guys, I placed my camera over there, and let's see if these things it's measuring. Okay, let's go inside. So guys, the other camera it's capturing. Okay, I heard a beep, so it beeps when you put the reverse, and now let's see. Holy, Start beeping. Beep, beep. Okay. I hope it's good. Let's see. Wow. Perfect. So guys, the parking sensors are installed. I need to make a few improvements in the future when I remove the bumper, because I want to pass the cables through the bumper and not under the spare tire. Another thing that I realized is that the buzzer where it is right now I cannot hear really well. Probably I will change it to the roof, because right now the beep it's not, as I expect. So probably in the future I'll put in the roof. So guys, thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.